Okay, this is stock number 8-28K. This is a 2003 Honda Civic DX. We have no check engine light, just the maintenance light. That's like the oil change light. And of course airbag and seatbelt and trunk's open and brake. 188,873 for miles, so a tiny bit high on the miles. It's a 5-speed stick. The transmission, rose beautiful, no issues that way. I can't test drive it just because the front suspension is totally blown out on this thing on the driver's side. A little bit of an exhaust leak, but other than that, it looks like it's pretty good. Had it running for about 20 minutes or so. Didn't smoke, no knocks or noises, no fluid transfers. The oil looked pretty good. So I'm going with good motor and tranny. We'll double check the transmission when we pull it out just to make sure that during the accident it didn't slam the axle shaft into the housing or something stupid. But from what I can see so far, it looks like it's pretty good.